It was so good seeing Uncle Marlon after all these months, eh?
It sure was. Mom was so happy to see him. Hey, make sure you buckle in my princess nice and tight. You know Daddy don't play that.
Oh, really, Derek? Your princess is buckling nice and tight.
You ready? All right, let me go home.
I can't believe we pulled out that surprise for Mama. She was so excited. Derek, look out! Terrence, Sierra, you okay?
Man, I'm so glad we had on those seatbelts. It could have been so much worse.
Babe, it's okay. We're okay.
Seatbelts save lives. Buckle up. It's your life. It's our law. This message is brought to you by the Virgin Islands Office of Highway Safety.